Hey guys, it's DTS Bushcraft. I'm going to show you guys how to smoke animal hide to preserve it. This is some animal hide I got. Okay, I'm going to preserve it by smoking it. Okay, so I got leaves, charcoal, and pine needles. Okay, to smoke it. Okay, going to be doing the hand drill to light my tinder bundle to light up the leaves. Okay, so let's begin. So how am I going to light it up? With a hand drill. This is the hand drill. I'll do it like this. It's going to be pretty difficult, but it's this. Just to light it up. So I'm going to do that for a little while. I'll tell you guys when I get some smoke. Okay. So give me a minute. Oh, already getting smoke. Sweet. Okay, here we go. Come on. Sweet. Already getting an ember. Let me just go ahead and pick it up. Sorta. Okay, come on. Put it into my bundle. Okay. I'm gonna blow on it. Got it. Wait. Sorry. I couldn't show you. It lit up very, very fast. But there, look at that. It's lit. Throw on my pine needles, and then just throw on the hide. See how it's smoking? Look at that. Just let it smoke. Very, very cool. And that's gonna smoke for a while. So thank you guys for watching. I want to also say that tonight, my best friend Jared is gonna come camping with me, so watch for that video. Peace.